Okay, so I have been trying to figure out ways to help with everything going on COVID-19, and I heard that there was a shortage for masks. So I found a mask that I could 3D print online, and I've been creating those with my 3D printer.
Looks like we have a winner.
The Good Kid of the Week.
You know, we hear a lot of stories about little ones stepping up to help out at times like this, to reach out and do something for doctors and nurses. Well, according to Jennifer, her son Jacob took it way beyond that.
He was really excited to be able to help in some way through all of this. It's been hard on all of these kids, and to find a creative way to just be of service was really exciting for him.
Well, what Jacob came up with is nothing short of remarkable. Jacob, 12 years old, decided to use a 3D printer to create masks and mask straps to give away. Do you know basically how many that he's given away, ballpark?
It takes a while to make them
it
at
does.
a time, like a couple hours to make about 20 of them. So, you know, I would say it's over 100, 200 that we've been working steadily at. And he's still going. We're just trying to find more places to donate them to.
And this was all out of his own passion, his own heart. He just thought of this idea.
Yeah, he just has a heart for service. He's done mission projects in the past.
This isn't typical stuff that a 12-year-old's doing.
Nope.
Why does he do this? How does he answer you?
Yeah, he does it. He just does it out of the kindness of his heart. I think he just really is a sensitive kid and just cares about people. And, you know, I think he just wants to help in any way he can.
Makes it even more special to name Jacob our Good Kid of the Week.
Well, I appreciate it.